What's up, guys? My name's Miles. I'm the owner of Champs Detailing. If you're looking to get a repaint done on your RV, coach bus, or fifth wheel, and you're unsure if you should go ahead with it or not, this is a great video I've made to show you why going with Champs Detailing vinyl repair is the way to go instead of doing the repaint. This RV was repainted just 3 years ago, and you can see the condition it's in now. Doing the vinyl repair is the way to go because it's going to hold up better over time. It guarantees no failures, and the results will look just as good. The only difference is the price is significantly cheaper doing this repair style instead of doing the repaint style. As you can see, this coach bus had the cracking along this entire blue area where we did the full sanding, priming, prepping of the entire car paint to ensure no overspray occurred. Then we resand the surface, and then we vinyl wrap it perfectly to match the exact design that was there before with the exact paint color, or vinyl color I should say, allowing the results to be flawless. This is guaranteed 5-star results. We have 330 5-star Google reviews over the last 6 years of doing this style of work every single day of the week. This is a Phantom. A lot of paint, rock chips on the front. We vinyl wrapped it, sanded it, prepped it, primed it, and then added that nice cool chrome accent to give it that more new style look. This customer brought the Bounder RV in for the color change of the front end. Turned out looking amazing, covered it with paint protection film to give it the longevity results. And then we had the Fleetwood, had some minor imperfections on the left and upper and lower side. We did the mirror result finish where we fix the imperfections and then vinyl wrap the exact same on the left and right side to make it look as factory or as meant to be as possible, which color matches to the gray decal on the RV, giving this finish a beautiful, perfect result. We also did the 2-step paint correction on the package, bringing the paint back to life, bringing that perfect mirror reflection, shine, reflection, and gloss. This is a secondary Ventana RV we did the 2-step paint correction on. This is a darker surface, requires perfection when doing the job. We have plenty of hundreds of RVs we've done the same where the results are absolutely flawless. This preserves the paint, allowing you to not have to worry about the paint cracking over time, peeling over time, and looking not great. The results are that mirror reflection, high shine finish, also done on this beautiful American Heritage coach bus. You can see the bead of sunlight just is flawless on the sidewall. This gentleman decided to sell the RV, brought it to us first, had us restore the paint to perfection, allowing the sale to be quick and easy and to get as much profit out of the unit as possible. This is an investment. We guarantee perfection. We are not the cheapest in town, but we guarantee it's going to be the best. So book in today at champsdetailing.com or call 780-803-7173.